Welcome to the channel. In a lush green forest, there lived a tortoise. One day, the tortoise was resting under a tree and noticed a bird's nest on a branch. He looked up and wondered, how can someone live in that? Just then, the bird flew into her nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly, "What a shabby home you have. It's made of broken twigs, has no roof, and looks so crude. And the worst part is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your nest." The bird smiled and replied, "I know it looks crude and made of broken sticks. But it is open to nature. I built it with hard work, and I like it." The tortoise said proudly, "I guess it's like any other nest, but not better than mine. You must be jealous of my shell, though." The bird replied happily, "On the contrary, my home has space for family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home." The tortoise was speechless and quietly went back to his shell. Moral of the story: a house becomes a home when it is filled with love and people. True happiness comes from sharing space and experiences with others, not from material comforts or appearances. Thank you for watching.